Hello there, it's Francis here from Generational Wealth Academy. Now, this is basically, to show you, one of the ways I swing trade using the Elite Trader, the Elite Trader Auto Trader or the Elite Trader EA, the Elite Trader Robot. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard me talk about the Precision Trader, which is an indicator that alerts you when there is a potential reversal, about to take place. This is actually the Elite Trader, which takes trades for you. It does not just alert you, it takes trades for you. It enters it and closes it for you. But obviously, you can choose to modify the stop loss and take profit as the trade goes on, or you might decide to close it. Now, okay, I've got a couple of trades open here. This is New Zealand dollar CHF. We're currently over 17 pips up on a Friday. Yes, a Friday. Some people are so scared to trade on Fridays, which I do understand, because the market moves very slowly. And secondly, because, they know the market makers could want to trap them, in a losing trade, over the weekend, or perhaps even cause them to lose trades altogether that same day. But that explains why some people don't trade on Fridays. When I do trade on Fridays, I just basically know that the market is going to move slowly, and I'll be ready to monitor the trade, which basically means that you move your stop loss, to secure your profits, as it were. Anyway, this is New Zealand dollar CHF. We're currently over 17 pips up. We have how many trades open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Okay. I mean, that's good. So in total, we're currently over 41 pips up, which means if I wanted to close this trade now, or every trade now, if I wanted to stop the auto trader and the trade, I'll close in profit overall. Now, for those of you who first knew Elite Trader, or those of you who know Elite Trader, we started off using Elite Trader for scalping, on a 15-minute time frame, sometimes even on a 5-minute time frame, scalping for 10 pips and maybe 15 pips. But what happened? Well, there were a number of things, which obviously meant that, people were not, winning as they ought to have, because they were, the trades were happening very quickly. I mean, if you are scalping, the trade could be open and closed in 5 minutes, 15 minutes. And anyhow, what I have decided for myself and my VIP members, or if you like, the subscribers to the Supremo, Supremo is one of my products, but what I have, I keep on saying Supremo because that was one of the very first products, very first robots. But this one is the Elite Trader. So one of the subscribers to some of the what I now do, I take it again. My goodness, I suppose it's that Friday thing. What I now have decided is for myself and those who subscribe to my products, even the Elite Trader, to use it for swing trading. Over a longer term period. That is on a minimum of 1 hour time frame, nothing less. Use it for a 1 hour time frame, so that you're able to get more pips, and perhaps you have more peace of mind without having to micromanage the trades. Now, this trade we're currently in, the New Zealand CHF, is for a sell. As you can see, it sold there. I have since moved the stop loss. I started off with the stop loss being somewhere there or so, somewhere at the top here or so, but you can see, we are swinging it, maybe to this level, to the previous low. It's smashed the very previous low, but we're targeting this low. I could decide to close out now in profit. That would be good. Now let's look for the next trade, the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Where is that? Okay, let's just move this way. We're also in this trade, which is currently minus 4 pips down. You know, it's a buy position. You bought. We're meant to have bought here. The trade was entered there, or was triggered there, but it's moved against us currently. But who knows? It might still come up. You know, I'm believing it to come up. But that's one of the things about trading on Fridays. You are thinking, ooh, with this closing profit, you know, at the close of market, when you would see. So the next one is 10 pips up. You know, it's a sell. It entered here. Now you can see there's a stop loss of about 29, about 30 pips or so. The take profit is about 50, somewhere around here. I don't know if it's going to get down there, you know. Swing trading, basically swinging from one, ideally swinging from one structure point to another. In this case, we're swinging from here, which is some sort of structure, and hoping to have the price get to this swing low. The next trade, CHS JPY, we're currently just 1 pip, about 1 pip in profit. You know, it's also a sell. And then the next one, we're about 15 pips in profit, which is a buy. The trade entered here, and this is where we're targeting. But it seems as though it's beginning to reverse, so I might be looking to close this out. I mean, if you notice, we are targeting structure, which basically, you know, means we hope to enter a structure. I mean, the structure here, you know, basically looking to, you know, target that structure. I would say, you know, with elite trader, it's swing trading at its best. That's simply what I will call it. Anyhow, let's go to the next trade, which is I believe the final trade. That's this one just opened, really. You know, this one just opened for a sell. So we'll basically watch this. I mean, it's just beautiful to behold on a Friday. You know, hands-free. You know, the good thing about auto traders is that if you have a good auto trader, it takes away the emotions, because it enters a trade where it should enter it, and it will take you out where it should take you out. That basically is just the good thing about, at least I know about this my wonderful elite trader. So if you want to try it out, you know, feel free to contact me. You know, just join our Telegram group, our Telegram channel, and ask you know, to try out the elite trader or the precision trader or any of our indicators and softwares for that matter. And obviously, you know, we'll let you do that. You know, so feel free to join, you know, the Telegram channel. That's where I am more active, or perhaps the Facebook group. You know, it's Generational Wealth Academy, otherwise known as GWA. So just I'll be leaving the links to join those platforms anyway below this video if you are watching this on a different platform. Okay, feel free to contact us and let's begin to win together, making more pips and profits. Okay, now, God bless.